Hello everyone, good evening. I am Rajiv Sharma. Today, present a presentation on a review paper on electrochemical discharge machining techniques. I submitted a paper in June 2019, and today I present a presentation on this. Next, these are the content of my presentation. First is the literature review. Next is the objectives. These are called literature gaps, and the introductions and the process mechanism of machining, conclusions, and the references. These all points are topic of my presentations. Next is literature review. We are selected only some papers who are mostly relevant to my paper on electrochemical discharge machining is first published in 95. In this process parameter is the current, pulse interval, and powder concentration are used, and the tool are used as a copper and workpiece are highly carbon steel. Similarly, published in 2001, aluminum, chromium, copper, silicon carbide powder concentration used as process parameter. Basically, parameter are two types. First is the input process parameter and the second is the output process parameters. Similarly, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2010 and 12 and 17 are the published, and I select only some papers who are relevant to my review paper. Next slide is the objective. In objective, this is called a research gap. I studied I studied approx 100 papers and find these objective of uh, in this paper review a array of research work carried within the past decade for the development of ECDM. In this process, and the electric spark is used as the cutting tool to cut the workpiece to produce the finished part to be desired shape. There are the various ECDM process parameter. We already say about the variable parameter are the two types. First is the input parameters and the second is the output parameters. Next is the introduction. Electrochemical discharge basically machining process are the two types. First is the conventional machining process. Second is the non-conventional machining process. Traditional machining process and non-traditional machining process. Basically, traditional machining process and non-traditional machining process, the minor difference in which difference in physically phenomena. In conventional machining process, tool and the workpiece are the physically contact, and non-traditional machining, tool and workpiece are not a physically contact, just like say electrochemical machining, electrochemical discharge machining, abrasive jet machining, laser beam machining. These all the machining are say non-conventional machining process. In this slide, we are introduced about electrochemical discharge machining. Electrochemical discharge machining is the non-conventional machining process, which already say about the conventional and non-conventional machining process, which is used for the microfabrication. Microfabrication means these machining are used for micro machining, microns on work on the microns. The principle of ECDM is use of eroding effect of controlled electrochemical discharge machining on the electrodes. The metal removal process is performed by the applying a pulse on of electric charge of the high frequency current through the electrode to the workpiece. The erode with very tiny pieces of the metal from the workpiece as the controlling rate. In this process a dielectric electrolyte used for remove the chips are made when the metal is the removes. It is just a thermal erosion process. The spark are the created in the dielectric liquid, generally water, oil, between the workpiece and the cloth, which can be considered as a cutting tool. Next, in this slide, we explain the working process of electrochemical discharge machining. Okay, I say In this process, I already say a electrolyte solution is used. Just say NaCl, NaNO3. These are the electrolyte solution. Electrolyte. In this process, our tool is connected to negative terminal and workpiece is connected to positive terminal. When the power supply is applied, then metal is the removed because the positive ions are moved toward the negative ions. Then the metal is the removed. This is the generally process of the metal removal in uh, electrochemical discharge machining. In this, when the power supply is applied, the spark is created between the electrode and workpiece. Then the metal are the removed. This is the generally process of electrochemical discharge method. Process mechanism of metal removal is two types. Two types of reaction are uh, considered: reaction at the anode and the electrolyte interface, and the second is the reaction at the cathode and the electrolyte interface. Two types of the reaction are considered in electrochemical discharge machining. First is the reaction at the anode, and second is the reaction at the cathode. Next, the parameter of machining. We already say about the parameters are two types. Variables are the two types. Inputs variables are variables. Input variables are effect on the output variables. We are select the few input variables and the study about what is the effect of the output variables. Just like input variable electrolyte concentration, temperature, electrolyte due to powder concentration, and the output variables just MRR, metal removal rate, surface finish, taper. These all the output parameters. And the output variables, some person are says the response variables. These are the input variables and these are the response variables. And the conclusions, basically we I study all the review paper, research paper who related to electro discharge machining, and the make a review paper on electrochemical discharge machining. ECDM is process that can be applied to metal, ceramic, composite and non-conducting material. The main advantage of electro discharge machining is apply non-conducting materials. Apply non-conductive material. This is the advantage of electrochemical discharge machining. Electrochemical micro machining is not applied in non-conductive material. This is apply on the conductive materials. It has the less MRR, but the advantage during the micro machining, the main obstacle to apply ECDM is to manufacture component to crack the near machining. MRR is also dependent on the many parameters. I already say about this MRR is output parameter is all response parameters, and this is dependent on the input parameters such as the concentration, voltage, current. This is the input parameters, and the MRR depend on this. To increase the reproductivity of the ECDM, there is need to research of control over gas film during the dynamic condition of machining. The process has the potentially to heat treatment also, and the comparing to the another non-conventional process, it has a less setup cost. So by the proper modification, it can be become the practically machining process. This is the conclusion of the review papers. These all the references these all references we are using these papers. Next is thank you.